Question number 6. Find the highest common factor HCF of 96 and 120. So to get the HCF, what I'll do is first I'll break 96 and 120 as product of its prime factors. So I'll take 96 and we'll keep on dividing by its prime numbers. So we'll take the smallest prime number 2. 96 divided by 2, that's 48. So again we can divide by 2, we'll end up getting 24. Again dividing by 2, I'll get 12. Dividing by 2 again, I'll get 6. Dividing by 2 again, that's going to give me 3. Now we can divide by prime number 3 and we can end with 1. Repeating the same process for 120 also. So dividing by 2 to get 60. Dividing by 2 to get 30. Dividing by 2 to get 15. Then I can divide by prime number 3 to get 5. Dividing by prime number 5 to get 1. So 96 can be written as we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2s. So 2 to the power 5 into 3. 120 can be written as we have 1, 2, 3 2s. 2 to the power 3 into, there's a 3 into, and there's another 5. So these are the product of prime numbers for each of the numbers 96 and 120. Now I have to get the HCF. So how do we write the HCF? We take the lowest power. You take the lowest power. You take the lowest power from common factors. So you're taking the lowest power only from the common factors, not from all the factors. So you can see, for example, 2 is a common factor here. 96 has 2 to the power 5. 120 has 2 to the power 3. So the lower power here is 2 to the power 3. Into the next factor, we can see 3 is also common. So both has 3 to the power 1. So HCF is simply going to be 3 to the power 1 because the lowest power is 1. Then the next factor 5, I can't take 5 for HCF because 5 is not common. So basically HCF is going to be 2 to the power 3 into 3. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. 8 into 3, HCF is going to be 24. So answer is 24. Okay, then next question, find the lowest common multiple of ABC. So they have given ABC as a product of its prime factors. So how do we take the LCM? So you take the highest power. Take the highest power of all the factors. So it doesn't have to be common. If it's common, then you take the highest power. Take the highest power and of all the factors. For example, let's start with we'll start with the factor 2 here. For example, we can see here 2 is not a common factor to all the 3 numbers ABC. So 2 to the power 3, there's a 2 to the power 4, but C doesn't have any 2 to the power. So anyway, it doesn't matter. We will have to take the highest power. So 2 to the power, the highest power of 2 is 4. Next, the factor I will be taking, next factor is 3. So I only have a 3 here, and that's just, there's no other number with 3. So that will just be 3 into, the next one is 5. So we can see here I have a 5. Here I have a 5 and here I have a 5 to the power 2. So I'll be taking the highest power 5 to the power 2. Next we'll be taking 7. So here I have 7 and 7 square. So I'll be taking the highest power 7 square. Next I have to consider the factor 11. So we can see both are looking the same. So I'll just take 11. Okay, so then we can type the value in our cal. 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 5 to the power 2. Into 7 to the power 2 into 11. So our answer is going to be 646,800.